Hey guys, good afternoon. So for today's video, our friends for our basketball court was already started. So that was sponsored by Miss Eliza. So only the front will be the no budget. So only the front, and maybe next year the other side. So for today, the front only. And this is our contractor.
Nangangaya. Hi. Nangangaya.
So